Welcome back to the F-Word. Time for the main course. Roasted monkfish with a citrus vinaigrette. Monkfish tail. This is the most amazing tasting fish.
5 spice, paprika, salt, pepper.
Monkfish tail in.
Roll. Hot pan, olive oil.
In. Look at the colour of that now. Absolutely beautiful.
Base.
Out.
Rest. Citrus vinaigrette, lemon, apples, shallots. Season.
Tablespoon of white wine vinegar. 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil.
Tarragon. Slice. Vinaigrette.
Can't wait to fucking eat it.
Spiced monkfish with citrus vinaigrette. Done.
Let's go.
How long should I wait now, Chef, for those potatoes?
As they go in the oven, put your potatoes in.
Yes, Chef.
Kenny, as those 4 go in, 4 more on. Judith,
Yes.
your pan is still cold. They're going to be greasy potatoes.
It's troubling.
Look, darling, look, let me show you.
starting to
It helps you
bubble.
turn the gas up, sweet. Oh, fucking hell, Judith, you look sexy when you're sweating. Yeah? Right, there we go.
Hey,
You okay?
Yeah.
Are you with me? Let's go, guys.
Let's
Yes?
go.
Lind,
Yes, Chef.
very good.
Then.
Nice colour on the asparagus, yes? Nice
Yes,
and
Chef.
gently, Kenny. Where's your potatoes?
Oh, oh.
Oh, fuck me.
came off.
Careful. Stand back, stand back,
Whoa.
stand back, stand back, stand back, stand back, stand back. Kenny, fuck me, trust you. What happened? You got to make sure it's at least fucking screwed on. You know that, huh? Careful now. It's really hot. And look at me. Look, hold it there, and lay it in.
End.
Always lay away, Kenny. Yes, lay away from me so it doesn't splash you. Try not to set fire to my kitchen. Okay, good. Right, all tonight's recipes on the website, so there's no excuse. Even if you are as shit as Kenny, get on there and get cooking. Let's go. Right, I believe we're ready for the first table.
Okay.
Right,
Okay.
watch, down. So 1 slices and 1 sauces, okay, Judith?
Yeah.
I can't do it all, my darling.
Yeah.
Yes? On there. And
Drizzle round.
let me show you the first one, yeah?
Yeah.
So a little bit there, drizzle round. Nice. That's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Good, that's very nice. Would you pay for those?
Yes.
Yeah, good girl. Well done. Table 10, go. Right, guys, that's 18
Chef.
minutes for the first table, yes?
Oh.
Yeah?
They rule. I think they're very crazy.